Hey everyone, welcome to Hankster's Hot Rods and Muscle Cars. We're located here in Homer City, Pennsylvania. Today I have one of the classics from the early 2000s. This car is a 2001 Pontiac Trans Am. It has the WS6 package on it, which gives you that really aggressive hood here with the bulge and the air induction. That's all functional on this car. This was really one of the staples of performance in the early 2000s. So let's take a look at it. Glossy white paint. This is the original paint on the car. Very low mileage car. Has 23,625 original miles on it. Numbers matching 5.7 liter engine. Got a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission in here. Limited slip diff in the rear with 410 gears. So take a look at our wheels. These are the factory alloy wheels, polished aluminum. They're in good condition. Tires are new, just replaced here. Cooper radials all the way around, they match. You can see some aggressive styling not only on the hood but down the side of the car too. Big styling cues, very aggressive. We have like kind of venting in the mirrors here. This car really was aggressively styled for the day, so very recognizable. Glass windshield, really large, in good condition, really no nicks to be seen in here. We have a current Pennsylvania State inspection on this vehicle. You can see our Trans Am badge here, kind of in body color, right there. As we make our way back, we see a big door on the car. So we want to check for panel alignment here. It looks good, you know, nice panel gaps here on the front of the door and the back. Both look nice, they're consistent. No evidence of bodywork or accident damage at all on this car. You can see here on the top we have factory T-tops. These are glass and tinted, removable, so you can kind of get some fresh air into the cabin on nice days. Those remove and can store in the back of the vehicle. Color-coded door handles to match. Kind of a bump strip here that'll keep your door protected if you were to bump against it or bump your door into anything. Getting to the rear of the car, we can see this large spoiler on the back. Just continues that really aggressive styling all around the back side of the car. Of course, finished off in the white paint to match. Looks really nice, gives the car a really sporty appearance. And then our matching Cooper tires on the back too. 17-inch, all the same size. Here we are at the rear of the Trans Am. You can see, like we stated before, our large rear-mounted spoiler on the hatch here. Airflow underneath the spoiler for styling, but also downforce as well. Third brake light here mounted into the spoiler. That looks nice. The plastic lens is in good condition. And here we get kind of a view of the Trans Am taillights. One-piece well, three-piece panel, but continues all across the back of the vehicle here with the Trans Am logo in the middle. And your awesome honeycomb style taillights here. They look really nice when they light up. Very aggressive look. You can catch our WS6 badge here on the passenger side. And we'll kind of show you a little bit about that package when we get under the hood. Rear bumper is in good condition. There's no damage, no scratches, no bumps, nothing like that. We have a stainless steel exhaust system on the car, 2.5 inch, and you can catch our tailpipes here down low on both sides. As we continue around the Trans Am, we can see that aggressive styling continues with, you know, a body ground effects package all the way around the car, side skirts, front and rear bumpers. You can see our power radio antenna here mounted to the rear quarter panel. Really nice straight paint all the way down the side of the car. Panel fitment is good, nice and flush. Consistent also. Look at our T-top on this side of the car. That all looks nice. The seals look good. The rubber's pliable. No leaks here. Our matching body painted side view mirror on the passenger side as well. Our matching Trans Am badge there with our rub strip. Some more of the aggressive styling here. We have some vent louvers on the front fender. All of our polished wheels, like I stated before, they look good. No curb damage. And kind of finish off the front here. We can see more of that body styling down here. Our reflectors are all good and lights are all good on the vehicle. The plastic lenses are really nice and clear, very bright and vibrant. We're at the front of the Trans Am. Take a look at our windscreen. We see that it's nice, Really no chips to be seen. Windshield wipers in good shape, as are the wiper arms. Plastic cowl, all intact, all in good condition. You can take a look at our hood, and this is where we see some of the aggressive styling features again on the Trans Am. 2 large air intakes here. Those are functional. Flip up headlights. Front bumper, large front bumper. It's in good condition. The paint's nice and glossy. We see the aggressiveness of our styling continue here with some body styling lines here, some fog lights here. Our front plate area here, we don't have one in Pennsylvania, so we have that Trans Am embossed logo there. It looks very, very nice. So we're going to zoom in a little bit and take a look at the engine compartment. All right, under the hood of our 2001 Trans Am, this is the original numbers matching 5.7 liter LS engine. It has 23,625 miles on it. So as you would expect, it's very clean and original under here. You can take a look here at our air intake. This is part of that WS6 package here. So very unique to the car, highly desirable. Original sheet metal here under the hood, all looking nice, in good condition, painted factory white, no evidence of any damage there. Car is equipped with factory air conditioning, which you can see here. Stock radiator, stock cooling fans here, dual electric fans. Intake comes back to our throttle body here. All the cables are adjusted properly. Here's our intake manifold here. Car's of course fuel injected. Some modern reliability and performance out of this engine. On this side, we can take a look at our ABS controller here, our brake lines. All look nice. All the factory clips are here. Highly original. All of our information stickers are intact. All of our wiring is neat and tidy, clipped and tied where it should be, routed properly. You can see our radiator hoses here. Those are nice. They have the factory clips on them. All in very good condition. You can see our hood struts doing a great job of holding up this big hood. So those will not need to be replaced. Here we are at the interior of our Trans Am. As you can see, finished in black leather upholstery. Bucket seats and a full center console there with storage and a cup holder. There's our 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. As we zoom in, you can see the factory radio and factory heater controls, all the factory venting, of course. Factory door panels, power door locks, power driver and passenger seat. Here's our dashboard. It's in nice condition. There's no damage or cracks to be seen. Original steering wheel with some radio controls on there. Airbags in this vehicle, of course. Factory gauges. On our door panel, we see that it's in good condition, no damage. Factory speakers here. Here we can see some of our power options, power door locks and power windows, and then in the middle we have our passenger and driver power remote mirrors. Power seats. Rear seats in good condition, very sporty back there. Rear panel's good as well. There's a view of our roof. You can see that even the inside of our T-tops finished off. Fabric material, all looks good. All right, here we are again underneath our 2001 Trans Am. Take a look at some of the bodywork under here. Bottom of the front bumper, a lot of times these get scraped up real bad, and this one isn't. It looks quite nice under here. Our factory white finish is nice and consistent all the way. Little plastic deflector here keeps debris off the underside of your car. As we make our way back, we kind of check our radiator here. This is a stock radiator. Drain petcock, nice, no leaks there. Our hoses, I'm looking at the factory correct hose clamps. I see 2 cooling fans, 2 electric fans here for cooling. It's a 5.7 liter V8 engine. This is a numbers matching engine for the car. Suspension wise, 1.25" sway bar up front. Our bushings are good for the sway bar, no rattling. Our end links also look good. Steel subframe here, no damage. Didn't take any hits on the road, no improper jacking. Our lower control arms, also steel. Bushing's good, car drives nice. Factory suspension here with the factory shock absorbers and coil springs. 4-wheel disc brakes on the Trans Am. Car's equipped with air conditioning. Here's our air conditioning and some of our lines. Checking for leaks under here, really on the whole bottom side of the car. We don't see any oil pan here. It looks good. Big transmission in the car. It's a Tremec 6-speed manual, so that's what we're looking at here. See all of our electrical connectors are in place. The perimeter looks nice and dry on the trans. You can see our oil filter here. Spin on oil filter. That's dry as well, no leaks there. Factory exhaust system. We have the cast manifolds right off the engine. We do have our original equipment catalytic converters with the oxygen sensors. But then after that, we have a catback exhaust system. It's a stainless steel 2.5-inch exhaust made by Hooker. So that runs all the way to the back of the car, stainless all the way back. Looks really nice. Our subframe mounts to the car, so those bushings are good. No rattling there. Our floorboards, we can kind of get a peek at them here. All original, really clean, factory finish, not undercoated at all. Everything's good and straight and nice here. Factory stamping all the way around. Our fuel lines and brake lines here run in their factory positions. Those look good just like they should. Transmission mount here at the back. That's what we're looking at here. Attached to the vehicle. Rubber mount here, checked, in good condition as well. All right, let's continue to the back of our Trans Am. We can see our stainless exhaust coming here. Out the back of the car with 2 stainless mufflers and stainless exhaust tips. So a really attractive looking exhaust system here on the Trans Am. I can see our drive shaft here. It's an aluminum drive shaft, saves weight. I can catch a view of this bracing here. Rear torque brace. That, in addition to the original panhard bar here, kind of keeps your drive line stiff in performance driving. So some nice upgrades there. And look at the rear end of the vehicle. 7.5-inch ring gear here. This is a limited slip diff. Aftermarket cover, as you can see here on the diff cover. Rear sway bar, 3/4-inch sway bar. All the bushings on the rear are good as well. Factory shock absorbers on the rear of the car. See our coil springs here as well. Rear disc brakes. So 4-wheel disc brakes on the Trans Am for performance braking applications. It has its factory alloy wheels, new tires all the way around. We just put those on the car. Take a look at a little bit of our heat shielding here. That's all in place. Just kind of keeps the heat from the exhaust off of the cabin of the car. So that's all in good shape, no damage there. All of its little mounting screws are in place. At the rear, check our rear bumper at the bottom. All the cutouts, all clean, all nice for the exhaust. Paint under here looks good as well, so no damage, no scraping damage there. So that'll kind of do it for the underside. I'm going to put the car down and we'll start up the engine. You can take a listen.